Okay, before we start our lesson today, sebelum kita mulai pembelajaran kita hari ini, let's pray together. Mari kita berdoa bersama-sama. Pray, begin. Finish, selesai. Okay, last week we have discussed about asking, offering, and giving advice. Ya, minggu lalu kita mendiskusikan tentang menawarkan, meminta dan memberi saran. So today we are going to learn about a personal letter. Ya, hari ini kita akan membahas tentang surat pribadi. Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everybody. How are you today? I hope you are just so. Okay, thank you very much. A personal letter, ya, surat pribadi. The objective learning is, tujuannya adalah menerapkan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan, teks interaksi transaksional lisan dan tulis yang melibatkan tindakan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait saran dan tawaran sesuai dengan konteks penggunanya. Perhatikan unsur-unsur kebahasaan should, can, ya, serta menyusun teks interaksi transaksional lisan dan tulis pendek dan sederhana yang melibatkan tindakan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait saran dan tawaran dengan memperhatikan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan yang benar dan sesuai konteks. So, there are correlations between personal letter and our lesson last week. Ya, ada keterkaitan antara surat pribadi dengan pembelajaran kita minggu lalu. What is a personal letter? Apa itu personal letter? Personal letter is a type of letter that usually concerns personal matters and is sent from one individual to another. Ya, surat pribadi adalah jenis surat yang biasanya terkonsentrasi pada masalah pribadi, ya, yang biasanya dikirim dari seseorang ke orang lain. This type of letter is normally written to friend or relative. Ya, biasanya jenis surat ini normalnya ditulis untuk teman atau kerabat. Ya. The aim of writing personal letter is not only to reach to situations but also to strengthen a relationship between the writer and the letter recipient. Ya. Tujuan dari menulis surat pribadi ini tidak hanya untuk menjalin silaturahmi, tapi juga untuk mempererat hubungan antara penulis dan penerima surat. Okay, next. There are 6 parts of personal letter. Ya, ada 6 bagian atau struktur teks, struktur umum dari surat pribadi ini, yaitu yang pertama, the first is writer's address. Ya, alamat penulis. This should be located at the top right corner of the page. Jadi ditulis di sebelah kanan atas. Itu alamat. Second, date, ya, tanggal, is written below the writer address. Ya, ditulis di bawah alamat pengirim, ya, alamat penulis. The next, salutation. Salutation is a greeting that always end with comma. Ya, biasanya pembukaan yang diakhiri oleh koma. Misalkan, dear Doni, my dear father, my dear uncle, hi Dina, hello Manda. This is a salutation. The next is body, the fourth. Ya. Body is the head of letter, isi dari surat pribadi tersebut. The fifth is closing, penutup. Ya. Penutup biasanya diakhiri dengan kata-kata sincerely, best wishes, love, take care. Ya. And the last, the sixth is signature. Ya. A personal letter should be signed as he or she may recognize. Ya, biasanya diakhiri dengan tanda tangan atau nama si pengirim. Okay. Next, the example of personal letter. Look here. Ya. Jalan Kelinci, number 27, Dadapan Depok, West Java 16413, April 21, 2018. Hi Dina, how are you? I miss you so much. How about your final test? Hope you did it well. I plan to spend this coming holiday at your place. Do you mind if I will stay there for a couple days? I want to enjoy the beautiful scenery of paddy fields around your house. I'm very excited about it. I think that's all, Dina. I can't wait to hear from you. Love, Indira. So this is the sample of personal letter, surat pribadi. Ya, you can translate it by yourself, okay? Silakan translate. Ya, okay. Writer address. So the writer address usually right up the top on the right place, ya, di sebelah kanan atas. So the writer address is Jalan Kelinci. This is the writer address. And the second, date. So after address you can also write date, April 21, 2018. And after that you can write a salutation. The salutation is usually in the left corner, ya, in the left side. You write, hi Dina, this is the salutation. Next, body. The body is point of the letter, you know. So this is the body. Okay, you can read this is the body of the personal letter. And the next is closing. Closing, for example, like this. Yeah, this is closing, love. And the last is signature. Signature. You can assign the letter, or you can just write name, for example, like this. Okay, that's all for my explanation about personal letter, ya. Sampai di sini penjelasan saya tentang personal letter. Ini bagian-bagiannya, ya. Dari mulai address, date, salutation, body, closing, and signature. If you are still confused, you can contact me by my phone number, ya. Silahkan hubungi saya di nomor telepon saya. Or you can repeat this explanation, this video, to understand what I mean, what's my explanation, ya. Kamu boleh ulang video ini. And before we close our class, let me give you assignment, ya. Okay. Sebelum kita tutup kelas kita hari ini, Bapak akan kasih kalian tugas. The assignment is make a personal letter by using 6 parts, ya. Buatlah sebuah surat pribadi dengan menggunakan langkah-langkah berikut ini. Yang pertama pasti alamat tadi, date, address, date, salutation, body, closing, and signature, ya. Alamat, tanggal, salutation, body atau isi surat, penutup, dan tanda tangan. The personal letter is free sent to anybody, such as you may send to your friend, relative, uncle, grandma, or etc. Ya, kamu bisa membuat surat ini untuk dikirim ke siapa saja, ya. Bisa ke temanmu, ke kerabatmu, ke pamanmu, ke nenekmu, dan sebagainya. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.